Okay, going live from Kill Road, Evangelical Protestant Cemetery. Gonna try to take care of 3 stones tonight, and I'm gonna try to do a follow-up video if I have enough time. We're gonna get this guy here that's leaning forward, Jacob Bender that's completely fallen off, and we're gonna get this guy right here that's leaning forward. That stone's gonna break. That's a better angle. We will get these 3 done tonight and hopefully be able to do another video when they're all done. Okay, live again, just finishing up on the project here. This front stone that was leaning has now been put right in line with the others. Jacob Bender, he had fallen, completely collapsed. He's back up. And then Frederick Bender, his stone's been righted also. So there we are. 3 stones in about 3 hours, I believe.